my name is Katrina. I'm a physiotherapist, charge physiotherapist at TheBumpRoom. You're watching our video blog on round ligament pain explained. So, are you suffering with sharp shooting pains or jabbing pains in around your groin area or your lower tummy? If so, chances are you are probably suffering with round ligament pain. So what is round ligament pain? So your round ligaments are the ligaments that surround your uterus in your pelvis, okay? So as your pregnancy is progressing, these ligaments are being stretched a little bit and sometimes a little bit thickened, and this is to accommodate the growing size of your uterus, okay? And so sometimes this can be associated with pain, okay? These pains generally will occur in your second trimester, and this would be around a time of a growth spurt, or what we would refer to as like a time where there's a hormonal surge. This sometimes is around 22, 23 weeks, okay? So at these times, what you might be experiencing then are these jabbing or shooting-like pains, generally on one side, but certainly they can be experienced on both sides, okay? But maybe one side at a time. And these pains, as I say, can be sort of felt in around the groin, the lower tummy underneath the bump area, okay? These pains generally do occur with a sort of mechanical cause. So they're caused by changing positions, perhaps quite sudden changes in position, maybe from lying onto your back. If you do that quite quickly, you might experience these pains. Suddenly getting out of a chair, sitting to standing, and that might bring on the pain. Or if you've been active or walking for quite a long time, this may also bring on this pain, okay? These pains then generally shouldn't last long, okay? So if you actually just rest from the aggravating activity or the aggravating factor, that should actually, your pain should generally settle with rest. If other things that you can do, I suppose the first thing, as I say, is rest. That's the first thing that you would do if you have this pain. Another thing that might help, our next point would be that you would maybe just gently flex your knees towards your chest, and this would just take a little bit of stretch off the ligaments, and that should generally provide some ease for this pain as well. And another thing that might help is just lying on your side with pillows between your legs, which again should just offload these ligaments a little bit. Another thing that you can do actually is just wear sort of appropriate clothing that are a little bit perhaps tighter or more supportive around your bump, okay? And the idea is that if you're wearing a top that maybe just is a little bit tighter, it'll just lift that bump up a little bit, and what that'll do is it'll take some pressure off these ligaments that are causing the pain. And if your pain is persisting, even after following these tips, there are some bump supports that you can get on the internet, which will also just provide a little bit more extra support in lifting that bump and offloading these ligaments. So I hope you found this helpful, and if you want to keep watching more regular videos from the Bump Room, pop on over to the website at bumproom.ie to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and keep sharing.